Sounds of Beethoven is really 3 different songs. So each one can be learned individually. We're going to do the repeat with forte and piano. Again, we're just reviewing the notes that we've learned, A through E. 1, 2, 3. E, D, C, B, 2, 3. D, C, B, A, 2, 3. E, D, C, B, 2, 3. D, C, B, A, 2, 3. Make sure that the hands are still bouncy and lively there. Number 2, start with, I want them to check to make sure they have the correct finger. So 3 on E, 2 on B. Sometimes in the book we're changing fingers on certain notes so that they will not think that this finger is always B or this finger is always C. So be aware of what finger you're going to start with. Forte first. Ready? Play. E, D, B, B, E, A, E, B, B, A, 2, 3. E, B, B, E, A, E, B, B, A, 2, 3. So different rhythm patterns will help. Just be very attentive to what the notes are. Here we're going to be playing all 3 notes at the same time, but a long, short pattern. So we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. If they have trouble, then have them say long, short, long, short, long.